You're a warrior. Warriors don't give up and they don't back down. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Virabadhrasana II, also known as Warrior II. We will keep on practicing without giving up. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Bring yourself up to a standing position, starting off in Mountain Pose or Warrior I. You will find the links to these poses up top. Take a step back with your right leg, fully planting the back foot at a 45-degree angle. The front foot is pointing straight forward. Deeply bending the front knee, paying attention that your knee is aligned with your ankle. Sink the hips low. Turn your torso sideways and maintain the chest open. Pay attention that your shoulders are stacked over the hips. Extend your arms and avoid leaning forward or back. As you hold Warrior II, avoid caving the front knee in. Instead, firmly maintain the knee stacked over your ankle, allowing the front thigh to offer more support. Hold this pose for at least 5 long deep breaths, getting out of the pose into Tadasana, or continue your journey on Warrior III. Remember to keep your practice symmetrical, so don't forget to do it on the other side. Keep on practicing. Namaste.